thunderstorm warning for northeastern Allen County in northeastern Indiana, DeKalb County in northeastern Indiana, until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:42 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Garrett, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Auburn, Garrett, Butler, Huntertown, Waterloo, Grable, St. Joe, Leoche-Darville, Concord, Newville, Altona, Butler Center, St. John's, Harlan, Spencerville in DeKalb County, Moore, and St. Joe. This includes Interstate 69 in Indiana between mile markers 316 and 334. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for northeastern Indiana. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Allen and DeKalb. This is a